Thank you for visiting us today. Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Kia Optima EX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia is a great value with less than 36,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call for an appointment today.